Hello, welcome back. I just want to go ahead and show you some of the ways that we can apply this map that we've used and look at redistricting, how this map can be helpful to us. So let's look up. So I've just looked up Missouri State House shapefile. We're going to go ahead and open that up. We're going to hit download. Drag that to the desktop. You know the drill. 2016, that's what we're looking for. Refresh. Should be on our desktop, 2016.zip. Open the shapefile. That was the state senate. That's okay though. Let's go in here and we're going to go from it's simple fill and we just want simple line, hit OK. And now we can look at this again. So just looking at the maps, we can actually see how this compares to the way that our state districts are drawn. Missouri State House. So if we zoom in on St. Louis County and the St. Louis area, I think if you'll notice District 89, the blue district there, is definitely a little bit strange looking. And if you look a little bit closer, you can see that what is blue on this map in District 89 is red over in ArcGIS. So it's the maps was drawn, say, intentionally to group these Republican voters in like Ladue, from Ladue to almost Chesterfield over here. Not to say that gerrymandering is only done by Republicans. There's tons of examples where it is done by Democrats, just not in Missouri. So this is a cool way that everyone could make this map, and everyone can look at this map and see that this is, an intentionally drawn Republican district in an area. If you look at the numbers of our state's House, it disproportionately favors Republicans, and this sort of district is why it is not by any means the most crazy gerrymander district you'll see, but this is just an example of, a little like covert, hard to tell just looking at this map. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's been drawn to favor one party, but if you look at the map that we just created, we can see that it has been. So that's why I think that learning these maps is important, and that it helps disenfranchise people by raising awareness of what's happening with redistricting. And again, not to say that one party is mostly responsible. I think it's just important that we're aware of what happens in redistricting. We have access to the same tools that the people who do the redistricting have, so that we can understand, what they're doing and how this affects our representation